How to download, install and activate Pi Network in your mobile. Now I'm going to describe in detail step by step to install the program. For this, first of all, we have to go to Play Store of your mobile. Now in the search button, we have to type Pi Network. Pi Network. When we search Pi Network, we see their purple color Pi Network. Now we have to press the install button. Now the downloading and installing of the Pi Network has started. It takes some time. Its percentage is increasing. It's almost 90%, 100% downloaded. Now it's installing. We need a patience. It's installing. Now in short time it will be installed in the mobile. It is a digital currency, cryptocurrency, Pi Network. It's installed. Now let's open it. Press the open button. It will be opened. Now here are two options. We may go through Facebook or mobile number. We may sign up. We may make account. If you go through Facebook account, it will be easy whenever we go, wherever we go, like abroad country in the world. If you visit Facebook account, we can activate at any time. But if you use phone number, that cannot be. Now let's continue with Facebook. I have selected Facebook. Now our Facebook ID will appear. Sometimes we may have to sign in with Facebook ID and password. Now here is my account has come. Continue as there is my account. So press the Facebook ID. Continue as. Cryptocurrency mining made easy. It has come. Now it has proceed forward. It's going on. Now we have to set up our account. First name we have to type. Last name we have to type. And then we have to choose our username. Basically username should be little bit unique. It shouldn't be used by any other user other than us. So let's make it unique. I'm typing here username KRISHNF4321. When I press it, here is something. Images come. Now we have to select the images. Chimney. In the picture we see chimney in 3. So let us select it to verify this. First, second, and another also we see. Left down, saying yes. Now we don't see other. Press verify. We see their username already in use. So again let's change the username a little bit unique, make it unique. I'm typing here now, correcting it. KRISH 4321. Let's correct it. I hope 43215 also. I hope it will be okay after submission. Let's submit it. Now, who invited you or who referred you to use this Pi network? Let's type the invitation code. Here invitation code is small letter RAHAR 4321. So dear all user, you may use the invitation code. This you can see on the screen also, RAHAR 4321. Now the welcome to Pi network page has come. Press get started. Now tap to earn. Press the blue button. There is 0 pi by h written. Tap it. Press it. Now start a tour. Now it's describing something in the tour. Press the next button. Again press the next button until it is finished up. Again it has come. Now view roles. Now press the view roles. We have to see our roles. Here our many roles are seen: pioneer, contributor, ambassador, and so on. First time we are mining, so we are the pioneer here. Pioneer means the starting stage role. Pioneer. Pioneer, contributor, ambassador. 3 roles are here. Let's go back. Dismiss. Now we can see welcome to Pi network. At the top of it 1.005354 Pi means Pi currency mining has started. So number are increasing. It means our currency or Pi money is increasing. There we can see chat button, and at the right side green bottom 0.25 pi per hour, that is our earning speed or mining speed. We are now only one user, one by one user, so at this stage mining speed is 0.25. Now we can again come to Pi network after going from home. It will be moving or running for 24 hours. After 24 hours it will stop. Now let's go to home button, 3-line home button. If we press, we see home, Pi apps, on Pi. In on Pi we see pioneer, and at the right side we see 0.25, that's our earning speed, and below pioneer there is currently earning, and there is 23 hours 57 and 17 minutes remaining, means after this time it will stop, and again we have to reopen it from the home screen, and after 24 hours it will again stop and we have to press it. Now let's see down, we can see many other information. Come back to home again, we see there many, and at the down there is many profile, and in the profile we see there our username and other information we can see, and at the bottom there we can see sign out, so never sign out it will create problem again during sign in, that's why never touch sign out button. And other information are also provided. Now again, welcome to Pi Network homepage. Here we see menu button. And in the chat bottom we can see there FAQ, frequently asked questions. If you see the frequently asked question, we see there are many information. What is Pi? Pi is a new cryptocurrency or digital currency that we can mine from our mobile phone. Is it real or scam? Actually it is not a scam, but it is real. It's real. It's not a scam. How does this app work? Yeah, here is also its answer is given. So many more other information is given there. We can read in our leisure time. So there is a role of ambassador, contributor, security circle. We have to increase the member in security circle. We have to make 5 members at least in security circle to become 100% secure. So many more information are given. So what is the value of Pi is given. So at this time Pi currency is in testing phase, second phase, so it's not determined. It's just like Bitcoin in 2008. Bitcoin value was also 0, not determined, but now Bitcoin value is much more, $9,220. That's almost 10 lakh. 10 lakh in Hindi currency, and in Nepali currency it is 16 lakh. We cannot withdraw it right now, we need patience. After 2021 AD we can take out, or we can convert it into real money. Now we cannot take out. Okay, let's go back. Now pie chart continue. Now here we can see different groups. That's I have been invited by RAHR 4321 earning team. You can press here. Here are number of members in this chatting team. So here various people have shared their ideas, knowledge about Pi currency, Pi money. We can also write some message. Let's type hi and send it. It will go in this chat box. Welcome to Pi Network again. So Pi money is increasing at the top of the screen. Earning team. So here is, we can invite. We can see the at the bottom, invite. If you invite the friends, number of our circle increases. Let's first time allow it. Through our contact also we can invite, or we can use other channel. At the bottom, use other channel. So we can use Messenger, Facebook Messenger. So many friends will come. We can send this invitation to them. So for example, I'm going to send one request. Now the person will get invitation. And in the same way, he or she also can activate the Pi network. So by activating Pi network, we can earn the Pi currency in our mobile. We can mine easily. Pi currency is a digital currency which can be changed into real value or exchanged into real money, euro or dollar, after some time, after some years, when it is launched in third phase. So there are two ways to use Pi currency. One way is changing into cash, exchanging into cash, that is euro or dollar or any other currency. Another is using it in Pi marketplace or any other online shopping, because this is the time of online or internet or networking time, online shopping. So we can use Pi currency directly for trading. So there are many apps in our mobile that are just disturbing us, bothering us, killing our time. So let us add Pi in our mobile and start earning money. Make it 100, 200, 500, 1000, 2000, 5000. So at the last you will get the return without any investing any money, or without any investment. We are here earning the Pi currency, cryptocurrency. So we don't have any tension. In 24 hours it will be inactive, so we have to make it active. So it's really awesome, it's really interesting, and it's really money giving app. So always keep on mining. Never stop mining, never forget. You may keep alarm and keep on mining. Please don't forget to like my video.